reusable bag should handle more than everyday shopping. This simple load test shows how a non-woven bag holds its shape while carrying heavy items. From its structured body to the reinforced handles, every visible detail is designed for repeated use, making the bag practical for shopping, retail, and promotional applications. This isn't woven fabric. It's non-woven material with a smooth surface for custom printing. The bag moves easily from the store to home, helping organize groceries in one trip while remaining comfortable to carry throughout daily use. Behind every shipment is an organized logistics system supported by a production capacity of 5,000 tons per month to meet large volume orders. Recognized certifications demonstrate compliance with internationally accepted requirements for quality management, responsible manufacturing, and product standards across different markets. These partnerships reflect long-term cooperation with global brands across multiple industries. Looking for a reliable, non-woven bag manufacturer? Contact HAPLAST Group to discuss your next packaging project.